Nag-back out po yung investor namin and we were already halfway through the phases. Oh my God, paano gagawin namin? How are we gonna do this without the money? Alam namin if it's the talent, if it's the effort, if it's anything about research, we can both do it eh. And ang pinaka-missing sa amin is the capital. Instead of asking why, ask why not? Because I was strong enough, I am strong enough to believe that it will work.
All of this, it belongs to God. And we are just really a steward na kaya niya inallow na even walang capital at first, but He made a way.
It's not an easy thing,
Yes.
but when we have the Lord, no, it becomes lighter. Tsaka yung hindi natin kayang gawin, ginagawa niya para sa atin.
Yes.
Yung open doors. Akala mo, wala na, pero dadating yung solusyon. Hello, I am Bonnie De Jesus of Kapayaman, and I would like to welcome you to Kapayaman Story. And in front of me are two young, beautiful ladies. I guess kayo na magsabi what you're doing, what you have. So,
Yes.
can you introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much, Tita Bonnie, for having us.
today.
Yeah, so I am Shirley.
Hi, and I'm Shaina of Malamacao.
Yun, Malamacao.
Ooh.
Listen guys, this is going to be very interesting. I believe, no, yung story nila ay hindi lang inspiring, kundi educational pati. Right?
Yes.
So, Shaina and Shirley Tagiyam, no, of
Yes.
Malamacao.
Yes.
It's a restaurant business, di ba?
Yes,
Chinese
ito po,
restaurant.
ano. Yes
no?
po,
Is
yes.
that the reason why mukha kayong Chinese?
We're pure Filipino.
You're Filipino.
But born and
Okay.
raised in
Oh.
Macau.
You know, this is very interesting kasi I understand you are children of OFWs.
Yes, we are.
Nako, ang galing nito, no? Listen, mga OFWs, no? Napakahalaga nitong storyang ito. Okay? So, ano ba kayo before you went into this Malamacao na business?
Mhm.
So ako po, Tita Bonnie, I'm still in a corporate job. So I
Mhm.
work as sales.
You're still in a job right now.
Yes.
Okay.
So, meron pa corporate job, and then after my 9 to 5 p.m., that's the time I help my sister. Yeah, so more on back end po ako.
Oh.
Yes. So, and
And as
Shaina?
for me po, I'm a marketing graduate. So my
Okay.
fields are always in the marketing field. So, and aside from that, after I've been a social media associate for the longest time, and then I moved into a branding agency, which inspired me, of course, to start the business with my sister.
So,
Yes.
branding agency ka, pero pareho kayong marketing.
Yes, we
Yes.
both
So,
have a
meron-
love for marketing,
You have a love
actually.
for marketing.
Mm-mm.
Now, I'm very interested. Paano kayo napasok sa business? Employed kayo
Mm.
dati, di ba?
Yeah.
Yes, I think kami po kasi ng sister namin, we're a foodie. And take note, we're not chefs. We're not cooks. We entered the F&B business, which is a very risky one. Sabi nga nila, if may kaaway ka daw, tell them to start an F&B business. Kasi it's one of the challenging fields.
Correct.
Yeah,
Ang
in
dami eh. Di ba?
Yes.
Magpasok mo, ang dami talagang competition.
Totoo.
Oo.
So it was a big of a risk for us, but since we're a foodie, so ever since we moved from Macau to the Philippines, since foodie kami, we have a checklist. So since nasa province kami, there's this street in Cabanatuan City called Barangay siya na Kapitan Pepe. And along that street is numerous restaurants. So we both have a checklist of all the new restaurants we wanted to try.
Oh.
So from then on, we kind of knew that we wanted to enter F&B soon enough after graduating.
So nag-umpisa kayo sa Kain-kain.
Yes. So,
Siyempre, kailangan
Tuwa
Instagrammable.
yes,
Oh.
Picture ka,
aesthetic.
aesthetic.
And we both love fashion.
Oo.
Oo.
So it was a dream na unti-unti bang na-develop or is it a spark? Let's go into restaurant.
Actually,
Hmm.
we were really craving of Chinese food, for Chinese food.
Okay.
Kasi nga, we came from Macau. So when we got to Cabanatuan, our province, ang meron lang is
Was choking and hapchang.
Kaya
and
Macau.
Yes.
Kasi your parents are working in Macau and
Yes.
you were with them up to high
Mhm.
school.
Yes.
So kain kayo ng Chinese food, ano?
Yes. Actually, Tito Bonnie, mas prefer ko talaga ang Chinese food kasi I didn't really grow up eating Filipino food.
Okay.
Pero there are a few that I know. Siyempre, adobo, sinigang, lumpia, mga ganun po. Pero I just fell in love with the Chinese food kasi yung mas maumami. Yes. So imagine, Tito Bonnie, how big of a difference it was for us to eat Filipino food or to not find a Chinese restaurant in our province, which is a very small one.
O makinig tayo mga OFWs, ha? Baka mamaya kain kayo ng kain, ano? Doon sa kung ano nung lugar, yung pala yung magiging business ninyo, di ba?
Yes. So when we moved here, we kind of wanted to have the comfort food that we were craving, which
Ayun.
is malatang.
Oh.
Pero not in particular po siya na malatang. So in Macau, there's this street food called, sa mga Pilipino, tawag namin doon, tusok-tusok. Or tapinlo. Yun po yung tawag doon. So ever since naman po na nag-move kami sa Pinas, lagi pa rin po kami bumabalik. So after school, pag break po,
Visit our parents.
aside from that, every Christmas. Ngayon po na working na kami, siguro thrice a month po. Ay, thrice a year.
Ano nga yung lugar ninyo? Baka may makikinig gustong subukan yung pagkain. Ano nga ba yung lugar?
Malatang po.
Malatang?
Yes.
Which place in Nueva Ecija?
Cabanatuan City po.
Cabanatuan City.
Yes.
So, in Cabanatuan City, where you stayed when you came back after high school,
Mhm.
okay, nakita nyo walang ganon doon.
Yes po.
Yung street food sa Macau, kung tayo po, di ba, may kwek-kwek, ano pa ba, fishball.
Yes.
So sa Macau po, yung street food rin, ganun rin po, pero nakastick siya, yung mga hot pot balls.
Yes. Basically, it was the hot pot balls po. Yun po ang street food sa amin. And then, the broth was mostly, or the sauce was Macanese curry.
Oo.
So, yun po talaga yung kinakait ng mga locals doon hanggang madaling araw. So, we were always craving for it. And it was a tradition for us. So, every Chinese New Year, since bilog-bilog, swerte siya.
Parang gusto ko na rin kumain.
Yes.
The way you
So, it was a
describe it.
tradition po talaga for us.
Yes. And the balls was also unique. Di ba dito mga kwek-kwek, masarap rin kwek-kwek. Pero din kasi yung sa hot pot balls, may mga fish ball with mozzarella cheese, sea urchin bun,
Mhm.
scallop tempura.
Yeah, there was a lot of
Nakakagutom
feelings
na
po.
siya, sabi niyo. Parang gusto ko nang kumain dyan.
Yes
One of
po,
these
Tito
days,
Bonnie,
I'll
pag
go to
napunta ka po ng
Cabanatuan.
Nueva.
Oh.
Yes.
Now,
Let's
now,
try.
how did you start it? Malaking kapital? Mayaman ba kayo? Ano ba yung, paano ba nag-start ng ganyan?
Siya po sa finance, ako sa operations.
okay.
We're both sisters.
Yes, sa back end ako.
Oo.
Yeah. I think for us po talaga, we just knew that we really wanted to start this.
Okay.
Yun
Yes.
sa business namin.
It was a desire.
It was really
Totoo.
Hindi dahil malaki pera nyo. Gusto nyo.
No.
Sugal. Hindi.
Yes, no po.
There was a desire.
There was
Wow,
a desire
interesting.
po.
Oo.
And so, as our dad was going to retire nga, so parang for us, baka we can start a business na. So, actually, I remember this, 2024,
Mhm.
Christmas time, we presented our business idea
A brand deck.
to our parents.
Oh.
We
Mm.
presented it that we wanted to start malatang. It's
Mm-mm.
similar to our comfort food in Macau. Madali lang siya. Hindi,
O ano
Mm.
sinabi ng parents ninyo?
Well,
no,
as you may know po, as OFWs, and our parents are both nurses.
Okay.
So, wala talaga risk appetite to start there. And, di ba po common yun na for OFWs, after working there for decades, uuwi, and then eventually, they will also start a business.
Okay.
Di ba? So, that was really our idea kasi we wanted for them to go home as well.
Yeah.
This is where they wanted to retire sa Pinas pa rin.
Yeah.
So, since we also have our bunso, sabi namin, may bunso po kasi kaming kapatid, Charlene. So sabi namin, we just have this thing na gusto na namin makahelp sa family. And it was through the desire of helping the family. And aside from that, what more than the comfort food that we've been craving for the longest time?
Yes.
Which we really know rin in heart. So, hindi po kami mayaman, Tito Bonnie.
Okay.
Hindi po kami mayaman. Since, syempre, OFW, we really knew the sacrifice.
Gusto ko lang i-emphasize yung sinabi ninyo. Kasi may mission kayo di ba?
Mhm.
Hindi yung maasa ka sa OFW parents o kamag-anak, padala ng pera. Pero nagkaroon kayo ng desire to be with your parents here after they
Yes.
retire
Mm-mm.
and having a business. There's a mission, di ba?
Totoo po.
And you used the background that you had, marketing, and the talent that you had, and the experience you had eating food in Macau. No?
Yes po.
Bring them here. Di ba? So parang nagkabit-kabit, di ba?
Totoo po.
Hindi yung out of the blue, biglang may idea, let's go into a restaurant, baka
Totoo
malaking
po.
kita.
And before we started, we've benchmarked po so many Chinese restaurant.
Ah,
Malatang. So, nag-benchmark din po kasi there's a lot of malatang restaurants in Manila na rin, in Metro Manila. So, doon po talaga nag-spark ng idea sa amin, no? Oh my God, we can start this na rin. Pero let's start it in our province.
this is your first business?
Yes.
Wow.
Very first business.
Grabe, ano yung iba, nakalimang business na. Hindi pa alam, no? Kung saan business sila, no? But I think it's the commitment, no?
Totoo po.
And even if your parents don't see the profitability, why you're
po.
going there, no? Basta meron kang commitment, meron kang
Yeah.
desire to make this work, no?
Yeah.
It's going to work, no? And how
Totoo po.
did you start? Did you start with huge capital? Did you borrow money from your parents? No, what did you do? Tell us.
So, as we present nga yung plan namin, so may pumasok, which we picture in sa kanya. So, there was a silent investor. And so, for us, kami operations, dahil sales nga ako, yung background ko, Chinese in branding and marketing. So, para it was a really nice tandem for us
Okay.
to start our
Oo.
business. So, alam na namin operations kami. But, ayun nga, Tito Bonnie,
Surprisingly.
oo, medyo nag-back out yung investor.
Mabuti na lang.
Nag-back out po yung investor namin. And we were already halfway through the
Wow.
phases. So, kumbaga po, the branding was already done.
Yes.
We're already in the architecture phase. And then we got the news na the investor will be backing out.
Yes.
And the reason for it, because it took us a while, kasi it was 1 year ideation for the business. Kasi, again, we're in the corporate work. So we can only have the time to put extra effort and time into our business after ng corporate namin na 9 to 6. So hanggang madaling araw na po yun.
I wanna
Nag-work.
ask you, ano nangyari after he backs out? Nalungkot kayo? Na-depress kayo? What happened?
It was a funny thing kasi when...
Back out, yung investor namin, kumakain kami sa Manila, malatang rin.
Yes. We were still benchmarking.
Nagbe-benchmark kami.
Oo.
Umiiyak dun sa... Kasi parang, oh my God, parang gagawin namin? Kasi alam namin if it's the talent, if it's the effort, if it's anything about research, we can both do it eh. Kasi again, we have the best tandem as sisters. We have the best relationship as well on how we communicate with things. And ang pinaka-missing sa amin is the capital. It's the
Yes.
money.
So, walang kapital. No? Ito yung tinuturo natin sa kapayaman.
Mhm.
Do not make the money your guide.
Yes.
Kung committed ka at yung idea mo, pinag-aralan mo talaga hanggang sa
Right.
execution, may business plan ka, it's gonna work. Everything
Yes,
will
ito
fall
naman.
into place. Now, tell us how everything fell into place.
So yun nga po, as we were crying ni Shaina, kasi parang, ano na kami, 70% na kami
Mhm.
of our progress. But I just knew in my heart, no, Shaina, pera lang yan. Out of the
Yes.
blue, I just had to blurt it out. Money lang yan, kaya natin yan.
Kaya natin yan.
Hindi ko pa alam paano.
Hindi mo alam kung
Hindi ko
paano.
alam
Pero sabi
paano.
mo, pera lang yan.
Oo.
Hindi natin kailangan yan.
Totoo.
Ang kailangan mo, commitment
Yes.
to make it
Yes.
work.
Yeah. And I was crying my heart out nun. Kasi syempre siya yung ate ko. At the end of the day, kahit business partners kami, she was my ate that time. And I was really, parang, asking, how are we gonna do this without the money? I've exerted so many effort and sacrifices with, syempre, hanggang madaling araw, tinatrabaho ko yun kasi ako
Correct.
yung
Oo.
sa aviation part, like with the naming, syempre, tinatrabaho ko din yun. Nire-research ko talaga kasi yung restaurant namin is a Chinese concept and we're both not Chinese. And I think that's one of the hardest things then us being immigrants na
Yeah.
when we were in Macau, we're not Chinese enough.
Oo.
But when we went back home then, we're not Filipino enough. Alam niyo po yun? Yung parang,
Although you look Chinese.
parang pero we get that a lot na mukha daw po kami Chinese. Pero pure Filipino po kami. So, it was really a big struggle po talaga.
Yeah.
Siyempre, as young as we are, she's 27, 26.
So it's not the capital, but it's the commitment that
Yes.
made this possible. By the way, before we continue, gusto ko rin kayong i-invite sa upcoming Kapayamang event. If you're someone na gustong matuto tungkol sa negosyo, finances, faith, at personal growth, this event is for you. Follow our social media pages para sa complete details. Now, let's go back to our conversation.
Totoo po.
Can you describe the process?
So,
So,
for us po talaga yun nga, Tito Bonnie, it was really fate that was driving me. I just knew in our heart, this is our story. We knew comfort food namin to, malatang, we love spicy
Mhm.
food, we love hot pot balls, especially yung curry.
Yeah.
With so much passion, whenever people would say, uy, dali niyo naman kami sa Macau. Sige, we'll try this
Mm.
place. So, for us, of course, we have money, but it was not enough to
Yes.
start a business.
Mm.
So, I asked help rin sa friends, and buti na lang, my parents somehow helped rin, but we just knew that it wasn't enough pa rin. So, what I did, syempre, as a community, especially sa church, you would ask advice. So, sa Makati, I was in Makati, madami tayong
Business
members
community.
dun, business community. And they would just really pray for me, for open doors, etc. Until one time, there was an ads in my email. BPI has a promo where you can convert to cash yung credit card limit mo.
Okay.
Credit card limit.
It's like a loan from
Yes,
Mm.
from credit
the
card.
bank.
Which is a risky move for...
Which
How
a
much is the interest rate?
Yes, so ang kung yung credit card limit ko, eto, amount, times 3 ko muna. So, tumawag muna ako sa bank, pwede nyo ba increasean ng times 3
Yun.
yung credit card limit ko? And then, after 2 days, na-approve. So, after na-approve, kinonvert to cash ko na siya.
Okay.
And then, installment with only 0.49%.
0.49%?
Yes.
Wow,
It was a
grabe.
promo, which I just saw sa email.
You know, I don't really recommend borrowing na high
Yes
interest
po.
rate. Pero
Yes.
0.49% is reasonable.
Yes. Because I also did research, Tito Bonnie. I would see 6%.
Mm-mm.
Grabe yun. Oo.
Yeah. Syempre, meron parang easy borrowing.
Kasi others would borrow at 5% a month. No? Not,
Yes.
they're not computing. No? Kasi pag
Mm-mm.
kinompute mo, unang-una pa lang, pwedeng lugi ka na, di ba?
Totoo po.
Yes.
Pero if it's manageable,
Mm-mm.
and nakita ko dito sa kwento ninyo is, hindi ka sumirender nung walang investor.
Totoo.
Okay?
Mm.
So you were prayed for, you believe that you have a workable business na kaya nyo i-execute. Kaya nyo
Right.
execute. May business plan na kayo. May
Yeah.
branding na kayo. May pangalan na kayo. No?
Yes.
And then, you were prayed for and you move forward. May dumating na mga friends, money, and loan from a bank. No?
Mm-mm. Yes.
And reasonable interest, by the way.
Mm.
No?
Yes.
And then, so, ito na. Andito na tayo. Nakatayo na yung restaurant. Okay?
Yes.
So, ano yung mga challenges nyo nung nakatayo na yung restaurant? Hindi ba kayo kinabahan? Binuksan ninyo? Ano?
Super po. Super kinabahan kasi, yun nga po, we were saying na she was really invested in. Noong time po talaga that I was asking her for answers. She was telling, I remember that completely. She was like, pera lang yan. And then she kept it from me. I was following up talaga sa kanya. Okay, anong plan natin? Kasi I'm starting this, gusto ko nang tapusin to. But I don't want to exert an effort anymore. If madi-disappoint lang ako, are we gonna still
Yeah.
go through this? And I remember the news na, Shai, matutuloy natin yung business.
Wow.
I just got approved of my loan, which again is not advisable. But it was the only way out for us kasi more than na gusto namin na makakuha kami ng customers, mas excited kami kasi makakain na namin yung comfort food namin in our city. So parang kami din yung first customers talaga of our restaurant. And with the challenges part, I would say with every phase ng building up the business, may challenge kami.
Yes, always.
Yeah, so branding, okay, we're done with that. With the architect phase, we've undergone 2 architects.
Hmm?
Kasi, again, our name is Mala, which comes from the Chinese word numbing, hot, spicy. And then Macau. And as you may know, it's so difficult and challenging to carry a country alone. And we're both from Macau, but we're also not Chinese. But alam mo yun, parang difficult. Oh my God, is this representative enough of Macau? It was really a challenge. And kada may designer papasok sa amin, like from our architect, we were thinking, okay, does this concept remind us of Macau? Would it remind people that have traveled to Macau? Alam mo yon, will it bring them to Macau?
Yeah.
So it was really a challenge on the design phase.
Parang eating in your restaurant brings me to Macau.
Yes, parang yun po kasi dapat, di
To
ba?
be so intentional.
Ang galing mo as a brand image builder, ano?
So,
Kasi dala-dala mo yung ano,
Pangalan.
pangalan.
mm, but
Macau.
also very challenging kasi it's an entire country. And then afterwards, yun nga po, we went with the second architect. And after that, we are already next set to rent a space. Which I think she can express that because she was the one who really, well, meron po kaming unang pwesto na inupahan. Na umalis kami. So,
Okay.
again po, this is
Hindi
twice.
nag-work yung first na space.
Opo,
ah.
architect, twice the charm. Sa space din po ulit, pangalawa po ulit namin.
Yes.
Doon, importante yung commitment.
Totoo po. Every phase po yon, meron po kami nasusubukan. But that didn't stop us from wanting to really push this through.
Kaya hindi pwede sa entrepreneurship yung subok-subok lang eh.
Totoo po.
Kailangan na formulate mo yung idea at
Yes.
buo yung loob mo.
Kasi one step at the door na po kami.
Oo.
Yeah.
Oo.
So, yun yung Tito Bonnie, I think was the challenge, is really finding the right people. Kasi hindi naman kami magdadalawa if nahanap na namin yung right sa first pa lang, di ba? So that goes with our architects and even po sa place, as mentioned by Shaina, which I'll share na rin dito kasi this is kind of a testimony
Yes.
for us dun sa place namin, which I'll share na rin,
Sure.
Tito Bonnie.
Yeah.
So, itong unang place namin, it was 2 slots.
Mhm.
The price is really reasonable. It was the rate that we wanted. Even though corner siya, hindi siya highway. Pero we just really believe na hindi, kahit anong lugar yan.
Yeah.
Pupuntahan kami.
We're so passionate talaga. Okay lang yan kahit gilid, di tayo pansinin, wala sa highway. Okay
Believe
lang.
na believe ka na sa produkto mo.
Opo,
ano?
parang okay lang, pupuntahan tayo. We were patting ourselves. Okay lang yan, kaya natin yan.
Oo. Kasi the place was good eh. Medyo malapit din naman sa highway, pero gilid niya lang.
Mm-mm.
So, ayun na, nag-deposit na kami 2 months advance, 1 month deposit, even 1 month of rent. Kasi we wanted to secure na the place eh.
Mm.
So we had our fridge, malatang fridge from China pa.
Mhm.
So it weighs 300 kilos po.
Wow.
Sobrang bigat. So nagpalalamog kami Manila, nag-rent kami ng forklift, until yung forklift bumaon sa lupa 3 times. Kasi
Dalawang
sobrang.
ladies working on this project, ano?
We don't know anything about construction and all that. Technical stuff, wala po talaga.
Yes. And then, ayun nga sa forklift, sa sobrang bigat, bumabaon siya. Hindi kaya.
Kasi bato-bato po, parang pebbles po yung hindi po siya
Yeah.
semento.
Oo.
Until inaabot na po ng hapon,
Mm.
5 p.m. na, baon pa rin yung forklift. Chat ako sa friends ko, ask help. Kasi may mga kilala silang engineer, baka may pinicturean ko. Ito yung nangyayari sa amin ngayon, ang laki ng fridge, forklift bumaon, ano pa kaya next possible
Nagawin.
solution? Sabi niya, okay, ask ko yung friend ko. Tapos sabi ng friend ko, uy, kailangan na daw dyan ng boom truck. At
Mm.
5 p.m., out of nowhere, where would they ask Boomchuck? So for reference, Boomchuck is yung pang lift ng cars.
Yun.
Yung may
Mm.
ganon. Yes. So ako, syempre kailangan agad ako mag-isip. Chat, punta ako sa Facebook Marketplace. Post ako, I'm needing a Boomchuck. Tapos sabi ko, okay, baka meron dito mga construction, mga warehouse, mga truck yan. So tanong-tanong ako near our resto, no initial place. Sabi nila wala. Pero dun sa kanto may junk shop.
Mm.
Baka daw may boom truck. Okay, sige. So pagpunta ko sa junk shop, sakto po. Nakausap ko is yung owner ng junk shop. So it was 5 p.m. Sabi niya, sige, naman kita ng boom truck.
Mm.
Pero 5:30 pa. So sabi ko, 30 minutes, okay. Kasi pinakita ko yung picture. Parang naawa siya sa amin. Kasi nga, dalawa kami
Dalawang babae.
babae.
Oo.
Na parang,
Clueless. Like,
Helpless.
helpless na paano gagawin. And even yung nagfo-forklift ginabi na, even yung Lala Move na nag-deliver nung fridge namin from
everyone
Manila.
really was helping us to
Was helping.
mamataas yung fridge sa building.
Sa building. So it was really you were so helpless. And then sakto naman, nag-post ako sa Facebook, 'di ba? May tumawag
Yeah.
na sa akin.
Ah,
And then parang 20 minutes lang nakapunta agad yung Boomchuck kasi sakto aalis sila.
this sounds like a fate walk talaga, no?
Super
Yeah.
po.
Kasi everything seems to be falling into place. Pero it
Agree
doesn't
po.
mean na madali lahat.
Yes.
Because if you have faith, you're willing to suffer.
Yes.
Right?
Mm.
Pero hindi yung suffering na you're being broken, kundi the
Yes.
kind of suffering na nai-injure mo at lumalakas ka. Lalo, di ba?
Totoo po.
Totoo.
So I saw that in your story, no? It's really a faith walk, no? Nawala yung investor, pero natuloy pa rin, di ba? If you really believe that God opened the door for you, then you will go on kahit na maraming problema. If God is there, it doesn't mean na wala akong problema, di ba?
Yes.
Meron pa rin, marami pa rin problema. Maraming challenges, no? Even
Yes.
the part na itatayo mo, ang dami. And then
Totoo
you
po.
opened it. I believe na may challenges nung inopen mo, no? What's the challenge when you started the restaurant?
Yeah, I think yun nga po yung really finding the right people.
Okay.
And ayun nga po, like going lang po dun sa story na so nadipat na po yung fridge, yung sa Boomchuck. And then this was parang 31st end of the month po yan eh. And then bayaran na po ulit ng rent every first day of the
Okay.
month. So na napasok na yung fridge, tomorrow, parang the next day, titibagin na, magka-construction
Kasi two
na.
spaces siya, so
spaces.
titipagin yung in the
Okay.
middle.
Yeah. So nakausap namin yung owner, hi, mag-ano na kami, start na kami tomorrow. And then doon nagka-problem. Ayaw pumayag ng owner na ipatibag yung
Sink.
part dun sa kitchen, which is really a non-negotiable.
Wow.
Kasi maapektuhan yung operations namin.
Okay.
So it was just simply a sink.
Yeah.
Since commercial, we're just renting, we understand naman na, I mean, di ba po sa contract, ibabalik mo rin naman yung mga natibag. So as per standard, hindi kasi masyado maliit. Pang apartment po yung sink. And it's not standard for a restaurant and the bowls na mga
Yes.
meron kami. Hindi po talaga kasha.
Yes.
So with that,
So, ayun po, hindi po talaga pumayag yung owner na ipatibag. So, it was heartbreaking for us kasi nakapag-down na kami.
Grabe, ano?
1 month rent na. Tapos kinabukasan, magbabayad na ako ng rent. Again. Kasi it's the first day of the month na.
Okay.
So, parang I just have, ano ba?
we were
12
we were
hours.
arguing na rin po talaga with the
Owner.
we were
Yeah.
arguing kasi baka naman we can make this work kasi important to sa amin. Parang
So what happened? Before we continue, gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang team behind Kapayaman Story, Burst Creative Studio. If you're a business owner, content creator, coach, or entrepreneur na gustong mag-level up ng content mo online, Burst Creative Studio can help you create professional content that connects with your audience. From podcast production, social media content, reels, photo, and video production, hanggang sa full content creation solution. They have the team and the studio to bring your ideas to life.
So, it was overnight na lang, kailangan ko na mag-decide. Kasi
Okay.
I don't wanna pay
So
our
what
rent.
was the
Oo.
decision?
So, no, after no argument, nandun sa
Heated
owner,
argument.
syempre, naiyak na ulit ako kasi, okay, may problema na naman. Sa
Mm-mm.
place naman.
In the middle of arguing with the owner, niluha na lang talaga siya in front. Sabi ko, huwag kang umiyak sa harapan. Kailangan makita mong malakas tayo. Huwag kang umiyak dyan. Kasi hindi niya na nakayanan talaga. Na parang, ano na
Okay.
naman to?
Oo.
So,
Yun. So, di ba, Tito Bonnie, na-mention ko, na may nakausap ako ng owner ng junk shop.
Yes.
Hiningi ko rin kasi yung number niya. Just
Okay.
in case na wala akong mahanap, papapuntahin ko siya dun sa store for the
Okay.
fridge.
Okay.
So, nakuha ko yung number niya.
Okay.
So, habang na may argument nga, may lang light bulb. Ting! I remembered lang going to the junk shop. May katabing 2-story building,
Okay.
yung junk shop. Hindi pa siya fully furnished. Para 20 units ata available.
Okay.
puro steel pa lang nung time na yon.
Oo, yes. Tinext ko yung may-ari ng junk shop.
Mm.
By any chance po ba, sa inyo yung building na
Oh.
kanabi?
Which was named Fernandez Building.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is yung katext ko rin kasi Fernandez, yung owner.
Okay.
By any chance, sa inyo po ba yun? Sabi niya,
Ah.
yes, sa amin yan. Tapos, pwede po kaya namin i-view now?
Oh. While she was crying that time, nagte-text siya. Sabi ko, wait, prioritize muna natin yung conversation na ma-end, na magkasundo. Tapos, syempre medyo siya parang disheartened na. Hindi, ayoko na, umalis na tayo kasi ayoko magbayad ulit. Tapos, parang hindi kami aligned. Hindi kami aligned as both. Parang sila as
So, iniwan nyo yung dating space.
Yes.
So, pag
Oo.
They really
tinatahi
did.
ko, kinakailangan nyo ng boom truck, di ba? Kaya
Mm.
pumunta kayo sa junk shop.
Yeah.
At yung junk shop ang nag-lead sa inyo doon sa bagong building. Correct.
Yes.
Sila po ang owner
Pero kung
ng
pilano nyo,
area.
hindi nyo kayang gawin, di ba?
Totoo.
Nilid kayo ni Lord.
Yes.
Yes.
And Tito Bonnie, sabi nga namin, we really don't have enough capital. So ngayon, we just have an overnight to decide if itutuloy ko pa yung rent ko dun sa initial place.
Okay.
Kasi it was 4 months of rent po,
Oo.
yung total na
Wow.
nahulog namin.
Wow.
That
So,
heavy for us na walang
It's heavy kasi stewardship yung money,
Oo.
sayang, di ba? So iyak talaga, hindi ako nakatulog. Pero I just really know na may plano si Lord.
Mm.
So ngayon, venue na namin yung new building ng may-ari ng junk shop.
Mm.
Venue namin, okay yung place. It was smaller, pero the rent was also the same, yung price, as the
Nice.
initial. And you know what, Tito Bonnie? We shared our struggles dun sa owner ng junk shop and ng building. Sabi namin na, ito po kasi nangyari, di ba po? Nabaon niya po
Naawa sa
kami, nalagay na yung malatang fridge.
Mm.
Pero ito po yung nangyari, ayaw po ipatibag yung sink, which is a
Yeah.
non-negotiable po. Tapos sabi ng owner,
Which was a
nabago.
very chill guy. Si Sir Fernandez, which
Sir
is Fernandez Building.
Yeah, sabi ni Sir Fernandez, okay, sige dito sa pwesto kahit anong gusto niya gawin.
Oo.
Basta ibalik niyo lang, nasa kontrata yan, go lang. Sir, paano kaya yun? Kasi, alam niyo po, half day po yung pagbaba ng fridge. So, kung lilipat po kami bukas, paano po kaya yun? Sabi niya, okay, meron akong forklift, meron akong boom truck, merienda na lang ang wala.
The problems became
Yeah.
blessings in disguise.
Yes. And Tito Bonnie, thank you, Lord, kasi yung 4 months of rent
Mhm.
na sobrang sakit sa amin,
Oo.
na offset dun sa bagong place. Kasi sabi
Yeah.
ni Sir Fernandez, sige, papayagan ko kayo, ilagay yung fridge doon. Huwag mo na kayo magbayad ng rent.
Wow, ano ba yan?
Yes,
Unless
totoo po.
mag-open
Praise the Lord.
kayo.
Totoo po.
So, 4 months kami walang bayad dun sa
New space.
new space until we open.
Wow.
And our architect was saying, too good to be true yan. I-fact check nyo yan kung totoo yan. Kasi sabi lang po ni Sir Fernandez, magbayad kayo pag pa-open na para di kayo lugi. Ganun lang po ka-chill.
Grabe, ano? Wow.
Which is not, di ba, based on contract.
Ito
dapat,
guys, naka-encounter ka ng malaking obstacle. Ang feeling mo, parang nagkamali yata ako dito sa inumpisahan kong business. Mukhang mali.
Totoo
Alam
po.
mo, kasama mo si Lord di ba?
Yeah.
And everything fell into place.
It really
Even
did.
the problems became blessings in disguise.
Totoo po.
And amazing, amazing. Kasi kung sumuko ka,
Mm-mm.
pwedeng hindi mo nakita yung kilos ni Lord eh.
Yes.
At walang kwento.
Agree.
Kwento ito ha.
Totoo po.
Magandang kwento ito. Alright?
Yes.
So nabuo yung project. So how is it doing now? How is the restaurant doing now?
So 2 months in,
2 months.
yeah, we're already 2 months in the business and we're very happy. Kasi since ako yung nasa operations, ako yung everyday na nasa pwesto kasi she still has a corporate job. Syempre from a completely different field. I had no idea in the F&B since I was always corporate. Tas biglang, okay, F&B, which syempre sales ka na. Ikaw pa yung taga-hugas ng pinggan. Ikaw yung...
Ganun talaga eh, no?
Opo.
Ganun talaga.
And you have to know everything. So pero kahit ano siya, tiring,
Oo.
I was really grateful. I was very fulfilled kasi I know that this was an answered prayer eh.
Tsaka nakikita mo na yung fulfillment ng mission mo na to bring back your
Yes.
parents here.
I know,
No?
and
When they retire.
totoo
Diba?
po.
Oo. Galing ano, parang you went full circle, ano?
Yes, totoo po.
And bring
Ni.
back your parents. You went to Macau as OFW ng anak ng parents. Tapos came back with an idea how to put up a restaurant, no? With memories of Macau.
Totoo po.
Okay? So, kung may lesson kang gustong i-share, I guess marami na tayong lesson na pull up, no? Kung meron kang lesson na gustong i-share sa ating mga nakikinig, no? Those who are aspiring to be entrepreneurs, no? Ano yun? Ano yun?
Maybe for me, the biggest lesson was, di ba sabi ni ate kanina, that the biggest challenges that we had was people. Kasi parang we were always failing with people kahit recommended. But then I realized that I think the biggest blessing then, the positive outcome that has led us to how the business is now is also the people that have supported us. Kasi when we were really in disbelief with what had happened, with all the challenges, we were disheartened with the people that syempre disappointed us as well along the way. Pero it was the trust of people as well na i-push nyo yan. Masarap yung food. Like, alam nyo naman yung lasa niyan eh. Kaya nyo yan, simulan nyo yan. Kayo naman yan kasi ilan years lang naman yung gap namin. And people have known us friends na nagpautang din sa amin ng konti to kickstart nung time na wala pa kaming ano.
Yeah.
So it was the motivation of our friends and family as well na start it no matter what. So kahit na yun yung discouraging sa amin was the people, but it was also the biggest blessing. And I think we wouldn't be here if wala yung advices then of friends, mentors, the communities that we have both joined in. Kasi that was really leading us eh. Na parang, okay, kaya ba natin to? Struggle, okay lang yan. And aside from that, I remember this time na nasa Victory Cabanatuan ako noon na until today I carry. Kasi sabi doon na, di ba, whenever we have challenges, we always keep on asking, why? Why did it happen to me? Bakit ganito yung pinagdadaanan ko? Bakit sa akin? Parang we always keep asking why. And then, sabi doon na, why not? And then, that shifted my perspective. Kasi o nga naman, why not? Para instead of asking why, ask why not? Because I was strong enough, I am strong enough to believe that it will work. I am positive that this is what we want. I am very passionate and have the biggest desire that this will work out. And this is our comfort food more than the money, more than having a lot of customers or expanding, alam mo yon. But I think this was really the purpose eh.
Correct.
It is the purpose why we food hopped a lot, why we are both foodies. Bakit kami nag-i-invest na minsan yung sahod namin talaga, okay, cut, ito yung ano natin, pan-try, pang-benchmark na restaurants in Hong Kong, in Macau, and in Manila as well.
Ayun, narinig nyo guys ha. It's not the capital, it's not the money.
Yes.
It is your experience, yung past experience mo, yung background mo yung nung nahirapan ka, all the challenges in life, yung ideas na nabubuo habang nahihirapan ka, all of these come together, no? It's not the capital. Everything will fall into place basta natin si Lord sa
Yes.
gitna ng journey natin, ano? Ikaw, Shirley, tanungin kita, ano yung nagbago sa pananaw mo sa business at buhay? going through all of this, ano yung lesson na may impart natin sa ating audience?
Okay, since I'm really the one handling finance, ako yung back end, nakikita ko yung
Yep.
fuller picture of where we at the 2 months lang. Success ba to? To market ba tayo? Etc. I just know that stewardship is really important.
Yes.
Everything that we have, that we own, our money, even yung loan namin sa bank, it's not ours. It all belongs to God.
Wow.
And we have to be accountable to God,
Mhm.
to the bank, to the people
Yes.
who trusted us, lend us money, who encourage us. All of this, it belongs to God. And we are just really a steward na kaya niya inallow na even walang capital at first, but He made a way. Na yung tao, di ba, ang daming nangyari sa place, ang daming losses, but God allowed it for a bigger picture, a
Wow.
bigger story. Now we are just stewards
Wow. Galing.
of everything that we own. It's not really from us. And that is also a hard check rin for us not to be greedy.
Yes.
Di ba? Kasi in business, mamumulat talaga yung mata mo. In
Correct.
money, in systems, handling people. But again, when you know you're accountable to God, iba yung heart mo in everything that you do.
Yes.
It's not about you. It's your people. You need to think of your people
Yes.
rin.
I agree. As
Yes.
stewards, we
Stewards
keep on
talaga.
growing. We keep
Mhm.
on realizing how good God is, right?
Yes.
And before we end, I would like you to tell the audience where can we find Malamakaw, no?
Mhm.
And something that you want to say about your restaurant.
Yes.
Tell us.
So I would like to promote, of course, our restaurant, Malamakaw. It's a Malatang restaurant, and our version of Malatang that we've incorporated Chinese flavors, but also Filipino. It would also appeal to the Filipino palate. So Malatang, of course, is a Chinese dish, and actually very easy lang yung menu namin. Soup base, dry, and then sauce base as well. But of course, we have small plates as well. And aside from that, we're sorry na nasa Cabanatuan City lang kami in Nueva Ecija. You'll find us near Terminal or SM Cabanatuan City. And yeah,
If you're going to Baler, Dingalan,
Yeah.
madadaanan nyo ang Cabanatuan City.
yes,
Yes.
might
Drop
as well.
by.
Yes. And
Yeah,
ay,
highlight yung curry lang rin namin, which is a
Totoo.
unique sa Malamakaw.
yeah.
We added malapan, which has that curry broth,
Oh.
which is really the street food of Macau.
Yeah,
Oh.
the more traditional of what we wanted to push. That reminds us of Macau.
Ayun, para ka na rin pumunta sa Macau pagka kumain ka ng
Yes.
Malamakaw.
Yes.
So, thank you very much. I believe that ako mismo, I have learned a lot about our
Thank you,
faith
Tito
walk is
Bonnie.
not an easy thing.
Yes.
But when we have the Lord, it becomes lighter. Tsaka yung hindi natin kayang gawin, ginagawa niya para sa atin.
Yes.
Yung open doors. Akala mo, wala na, pero dadating yung solusyon. So thank you very
Yes.
much,
Thank
Shirley
you.
and Shaina.
Thank you,
Bonnie.
Thank
Tito
you very
Bonnie,
much.
for
That's
having
a very
us.
rich discussion we had. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you enjoyed today's conversation and gusto mong matuto pa kasama ang ibang entrepreneurs and professionals, I invite you to join our Kapayaman VIP community. It's a place where we learn together, grow together, and support each other's journey using practical business strategies and biblical principles. Visit Kapayaman and become part of our growing community.